Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Shokz OpenMove bone conduction wireless headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this factory reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earphones are not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth. They keep disconnecting, you're having weird sounds, anything like that where they're not working right can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is just any random situation where you want to just delete all the pairing history off of them so that you can go ahead and set them up like a brand new set of headphones. It's really easy to do, so we're just going to start by just deleting them off the phone or whatever we've had them with in the past, because we're going to be pairing them as a new pair. And once we're going to do that, with the headphones turned off, we're going to come in and put them in pairing mode by pressing and holding this power/volume up button for like 5 seconds or so until we see this LED here start to flash red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, and the headphones will actually say pairing. So once that happens, we're going to release that button, and then we are going to simultaneously hold the volume up, the volume down, and the multifunction button that's on the other earbud. Just keep holding those until you hear two beeps out of the earphones, and they'll actually also give a vibration. Once that happens, they're now basically reset. You just need to turn them off and then turn them back on, and you can repair them as a new set of headphones.